In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Fibonacci extensions in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to locate the Fibonacci extensions tool, add it to your chart, and customize it using the available settings options. First, go to Robinhood Legend. Once you're on the platform, move your attention to the top center area of the screen where the main chart tool icons are displayed. In this row of tools, carefully scan until you find the Fibonacci retracement icon, and right beside it, locate the advanced icon or drop-down icon that controls additional options for the same toolset. Click on this icon to open the available selection options. From the list that appears, choose the option to add the Fibonacci extensions tool, then move your cursor to the chart area where you want to place it. Click on the specific position in the chart to set where the tool will be applied, making sure it is placed exactly where you want it to appear on the graph. Once you select the position, the tool will immediately be added and displayed on your chart, and you will see the Fibonacci extensions lines appear within the selected area. From here, proceed to adjust its configuration by locating the settings option associated with the Fibonacci tool. Click on Settings to open the customization panel, where the tool options will be displayed. Inside this settings panel, review the available configuration controls that allow you to adjust how the Fibonacci extensions appear on your chart. Make any adjustments you need within this panel, ensuring the tool matches your preferred display style and layout. The tool will remain active and visible on your chart as you continue working within the platform, and you can visually confirm the updated appearance at any time by returning your focus to the chart area. This completes the process of adding Fibonacci extensions in Robinhood Legend, placing it on your chart, and customizing it through the settings menu.